Good day, I am Roina Abdurrahman, a Group 5 member. Designing for cognitive style of individual. First, what is cognitive style? Cognitive style or thinking style is a concept used in cognitive psychology to describe the way individuals think, perceive, and remember information. Cognitive style differs from cognitive ability or level, the latter being measured by aptitude tests or so-called intelligence tests. One important consideration is that data, particularly data used for decision making, are made available in different forms so that users with different cognitive abilities can make sense of them. Data used for decision making for process which involve collecting data, extracting patterns and facts from the data and utilizing those facts to make inferences that influence decision making. Some users may prefer to examine tables and make decisions. Some prefer graphs and other wants to read narrative text. Some users compatible and easy to understand and make decision and examine table. Some users feel compatible and easy to understand if they do in this way. It is also imaginable that the same person wants different types of presentations at different times. They want to know the different types of presentation techniques and method as part of their preparation and to know the best presentation. For example, suppose a manager wants to compare inventory held at different stores in a region. A graph can present the data very effectively. A column chart can use colors to show when a store is near its stock out level, and it can also show the relative amount of stock by allowing the user to visually compare the height of the bars directly. Suppose now that the same decision maker wants information about a particular store in each month. The graphical depiction may have been set up to show the stores from highest to lowest inventory on a month-by-month basis. The user may prefer to return to the table that lists store alphabetically, with the months listed chronologically. As you can see, the same person may want to see the same data in quite different ways. Pivot tables. In previous example, we will know on how to do in pivot tables here. So, pivot tables. Pivot tables allow users to arrange data in a table in a way they choose. An example of pivot tables template created in Microsoft Excel is shown in the figure below. Here are the example of pivot tables. The user will take an item from the pop-up box called Pivot Table Field List, such as a product, drag it over to the table template and drop it in one of the blank areas. In this example, the user drags and drops product into the area on the left entitled Drop Row Fields here. The user drops sales into the largest area that says Drop Data Items here. A pivot table template can make it easier for users to see information displayed in different ways. Finally, the user takes the item called quarter and drop it into the area called drop column fields here. The result is a table that shows each of the product in alphabetical order and its sales for each of the 4 quarters we have data for. Followed by the grand total for the year. This table is shown in the figure below. You know the table. So, as you can see, the data in the Excel is now alphabetically. Pivot are useful because they grant users greater control over how they look at the data in different ways within a table. We can examine this same concept for graph in the next section. Pivot tables is important in designing cognitive style because by the use of pivot tables, we can easily input the data to the Excel and see the result alphabetically. That's it. Thank you.